Wow, hello again everybody. It is noon on Friday the 15th and we just had a good solid rain. Oh geez, rained pretty good. If I walk over to the pool here, is always, like I said, my best estimate of the rain. And we need to buy some chlorine again because it's getting awful green, but I just measured it and it came up basically about 2 inches in the last half hour to 40 minutes in the rain that we got. And it takes about 3 inches of the pool to fill up a 500-liter tank. So with the runoff from the roof here, we get runoff from this roof here that goes into the pool, as you can see right here. And then if I come back over here, you can see this eaves trough extending out, and we get runoff from the blue roof and this side of our canopy cover here that also dump into the pool here. So, and Beth, of course, as you see, has done an absolutely wonderful job of all the flowers and hangings and everything else that that surround the pool here. And if I go even a little bit towards the chicken coop here, this is all Beth's doing here with all the flowers and everything. Our pool don't look so good, but everything around it looks really nice. Like I said, we don't. We've kind of got a filter to it that we filter it through when we put it in the holding tank. Right now, we've run out of chlorine, so the algae really gets in there very quickly. But yes, an absolutely excellent rain. So it has done real good today. And it looks like we might not be over yet. And there might be more coming. As I kind of trek over here, I'm going to show you kind of where I've got bags rolled up here that we use. And of course, it's kind of where our dogs like to sleep. And you'll get an idea here of our guys here. And of course, there's Azul right there. And she's right there. Yeah, that's Azul. She gets under the eaves here, as you can see, under the eaves here in order to stay dry. When it rains like this, of course, they take up all the seats here. There's Whitey, there's socks, and of course King over here. They like sleeping on the benches, and the ones that don't sleep on the benches are generally over here on the table over here. Tiny there, yep, and the puppies. But when it rains, this is more or less where they hide out, and perfectly fine. That's one reason why we built this, so they could get out of the rain and have a place in order that they didn't get wet and that. But yeah, another good rain, as you can see by all the standing water here. And boy, keep it up, I love it. It's a hard rain like we just had that adds to the well and to the pond. I'll have to take a walk down later on and take a look. There's the Azul again. She's found her place underneath and that. And here's where we have our LP tanks for our kitchen too, on this addition of our kitchen. And of course, again, all the best flowers, and especially here, all the best handiwork. She does such a good job. I'm constantly amazed by her every day. of what she does. Yep. So I'm going to let you all go. It just kind of poured here, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update, as always, trying to do, of what's going on here. And not much else going on. So I might as well do some videos and let everybody see what our front yard looks like, you know, with all the flowers and everything. So I'm going to say goodbye again. I'll no doubt be back again today, like I said, with all the rain and as wet as it is. We're kind of caught inside, and a good day to do the videos. So I'm going to say goodbye from in back of the camera here. Like and subscribe, and I hope you're enjoying our rainy days, and hopefully they'll continue.